Hello everyone. So this is the newest feature that I have added to the WorldGen 1.10 update. Here we have spatial biomes. That means earlier we only had a biome system that is based on the ground elevation and the slope. So everywhere looked like this. Near the beach we had a sand layer, and then above that we had a green layer, and above that we had a rock layer. Well, rock was coming from two ways based on the slope and also based on the elevation. And on top of that, when the top of the taller mountains, we had snow. But now we have a spatial biome system. As you can see here you have two different regions. This region is like a large green area, and this is like a snowy area. Now, even from the starting point, like even from the lower elevation in the snowy area, we have snow, and here it's different. And also we have actually we have four different biome types, spatial biome types. Let me explain them in the presentation. So here, yeah, without these spatial biomes, we had one look across the whole infinite world. Snow starts at the same height everywhere, rock is also same everywhere, grass, sand, only same rules applied everywhere. So because of that, everything looks identical, even though we have different infinitely generated landscape with a different height map. It feels repeated, it feels similar because we had the same biomes. So if you don't have a spatial variation of biomes, then that would feel like it's just a single area, no sense of geography. So that's what I tried to fix here. So yeah, these are the areas that we have: tundra, snow-covered plains, sparse and boreal areas like forest, flow, conifers, and tropical lush peaks, dense cover, desert, sandy dunes, no snow. These are the different types that I have tried to create here. And these systems are driven by two things: temperature and humidity. Based on these two values, biome blending happens. T stands for temperature, M stands for moisture or humidity. And between zones, we have a bilinear blending. So tundra means cold and dry, boreal means cold and wet, desert means hot and dry, tropical means hot and wet. No hard boundaries, everything is smoothly blended. So if I go to the world, here you can see. This is the blending zone. You can see a smooth blending from this green area to snowy area. Here we have this arid rocky area. Yeah, and from rock to green tropical area, and again back to snowy area. So if I fly across the landscape, you see I'm passing through varying regions in the world. Now the next update, I will try to get a different look, like different erosion, different elevation. For example, this desert areas might need to be lower, and the snowy areas might need to be tallest peaks, things like that. I will try in the next update. And this is where all the settings are. If I select the bird streaming manager, we have biomes section now. You can enable biomes. Let me stop and disable biomes and play. This is what we had before. Everywhere looks the same. See? Now, if I enable, we can instantly get a vastly different region. And under biomes, you can change these frequencies, like to change how often we need to see the biome, spatial biome variation across the landscape. Humidity, this is temperature, this is humidity. So yeah, all the parameters have tooltips enabled, so you can understand what each of them are doing. And here, let's say you can define for each type of biome where the rocks start, where the snow start, and also there is a sand multiplier, grass multiplier, things like that too. So feel free to play with these parameters to achieve whatever the look you want. Here, these are the additional parameters and all the properties. Alright, thanks for watching. As always, updated plugin you can download from my Patreon page and also from Fab. Everything will be updated, and I'll leave links in description below. And let me know if you need if you have any questions in the comments, and if you have any further requests for this series, for this plugin, feel free to let that know as well. And see you in the next update. Goodbye.